Howdy, folks. I am Anthrozoo Menagerie, and welcome to my very first video. Today, we will be talking about humans and animals in media. But first, a little bit about myself. I am currently a college student in Florida, working on his anthrozoological degree. With that out of the way, we will now dive into my video assignment, basically. So first up, we're going to need to define what media is. Nowadays, media is designed to be anything on electronics. However, before there was electronics, there were other forms of media, that being the written work. Now, in order to talk about what I need to talk about, we'll need to dive into some history. That history starts in the 1800s in New Mexico in an area called the Currumbas. This area had a bunch of ranchers with cattle who were then targeted by a small pack of wolves led by Lobo. Lobo has an interesting name, as he is called the wolf that changed America. And this is due to what his last encounter with humans was with a hunter and a researchist and a naturalist by the name of Ernest Thompson Seton. Now, Seton tried to kill him in a whole bunch of different ways because he was going after the rancher's livestock. He tried poisoned meat, he tried traps, a lot of things didn't work. But during this time, Seton realized how smart Lobo was, and after he managed to finally get him, he wrote a book. And that book is what sparked, that book, among other things, helped spark the national park to become national parks, as well as the Boy Scouts of America. Now, because Seton wrote his book in the 1950s, Disney created a movie based on Lobo's life. Sure, it's got some fantastical things said in there, because of course it's a movie and not a lot of people are going to enjoy it. But yeah, and then the other thing is how I found out about Lobo, through the medium of PBS TV shows and nature, of which that episode that I saw was Lobo, the wolf that changed America, and how he and Ernest Thompson Seton's involvement with each other changed as the basically Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner interactions happened. Now, this is a more or less good version on humans and animals interacting on the media. However, there are those that will cast animals in a negative light, if it would help them. One of those videos, from what I can think of, is Blackfish, or the SeaWorld and all that stuff documentary from 2013. More will come, more will follow. Let's just leave that as a tidbit. And with that, I'll bid y'all adieu.